Monday, July 1st edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Meteorologist Matthew East here with you. And I apologize for the lack of videos recently. YouTube has been having a few issues with the upload process, and that's kind of hampered my ability to post the videos for you. But we'll see if we can get back into the swing of things this week. Highs yesterday, 80s. The big story was the waves of rain and thunderstorms that continue to move on through. Right now, very soupy. These are 5 o'clock temperatures this morning here across the region. There's the radar. Again, this is about 5:30 here early on this Monday morning. And we continue to have these waves of rain and thunderstorms moving through. By the way, a flash flood warning continues there in the southern Piedmont zones there, parts of Stanley, Montgomery, Anson, Richmond counties, where the rain totals have been very, very impressive over the last several days. There's a storm report from yesterday, even a tornado report over in southeastern North Carolina, but really the main problem's been flooding across the western and central parts of the Piedmont. These are rain totals since Friday, and boy, they have been very significant in some spots. You're looking at parts of Cabarrus, northern Mecklenburg, Stanley, Montgomery, and Anson counties with over 5, 6, 7, even in some spots 8 inches of rain. Flash flood watch remains in place across a good chunk of the region, and flash flooding will be our main weather concern here over the next several days. Just a very stagnant setup, very soupy air with this front to the west of us. Any little disturbance that moves through can trigger a round of heavy rain and thunderstorms, and that is the setup for us here over the next couple of days. This is what the RPM is printing out for rain totals between now and Wednesday evening, and that's going to be a problem if that's correct, as especially the spots that have really been hammered by rain can certainly see some additional flooding issues. And I want to show you this while we're dealing with the flooding. Much different story out west. These are 5 o'clock Eastern time temperatures, so what would they be? Let's see, 2 a.m. West Coast time. And you're looking at a temperature of 105 degrees there in Needles, 99 in Las Vegas, 93 in Blythe, 94 in Phoenix. Really nasty heat out that way. And this is the reason why. Huge upper level ridge over the Rockies. Big trough, upper level low over the Ohio Valley, the mid-Mississippi Valley, and then more ridging out over the Atlantic Ocean. So for our area, that means this fetch of tropical moisture right on up into the region. We're in a favorable area for lift on the east side of that upper low, and it's easy to generate rain. And that's just the overall setup. Now you go on out to Wednesday, not a whole lot has changed there. This is Wednesday evening, but as we get out to the weekend, things do change. That ridging over the Atlantic builds overhead, and that should greatly reduce our rain chances by then. But between now and then, it stays pretty unsettled. This is tomorrow on the European. There's Wednesday. Here comes Thursday. You notice this zone of rain gradually working westward. Finally, Friday, less storms, and the weekend looks much drier and hotter too around here. But boy, very wet and unsettled over the next several days. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.